take a look again at the roots scope and spec. Remember the other day when we took a look at the root scope, scope meaning to watch, and we looked at examples like telescope, to see something far away, and microscope, meaning to watch something that is small. We also looked at the root spect, and here spect means to look. And we are looking at inspect, so we were looking into something and looking at it closely. Today, you're going to turn to page 6 in your word study notebook, and we are going to create a word web. You can choose, I'm going to model for you the word scope, and you're going to choose the word spec. Watch me, and you'll see what you'll need to do in your word study journal. I'm going to use the word scope. So inside the circle, I'm going to write the base word. I'm going to write the root word. So here I have the word scope. And then from my web, I'm going to think of as many words as I can that use the word scope. So how many words can I think of where scope is a part of the word? And then I'm going to add them, and I'm going to draw a line. So for example, I can start with telescope. That was one of the words that we used as our example. And I could even sketch a picture if that would help. And then again, we had microscope. And I can draw a picture that would help me to see or remember what these words are. There is a stethoscope, and a stethoscope is something that a nurse or a doctor will use to listen to your heart. I'm going to do horoscope. That is something like when you, the astrological signs to have your, your reading, kind of like your horoscope. It's like telling like what they think might happen based on the stars and how they were aligned when you were born. So a horoscope, I am a Leo, because I was born in late July. So I am a lion, so maybe I'm going to make my lion mane. If you know your astrological sign, or if you know something that relates to your word, it doesn't have to be the exact meaning of it. And so what I'm doing is I'm thinking of words that have that root in it. You all are going to do this on page 6 in your word study journal, but you all are going to do it with the root spec. Now you get to listen to my dog see that the Amazon driver is here. So we have the word spect, and you will write that on page 6, and you will try to think of at least 4 words that include the word spec in it. You can use the word inspect as one of them, but what else can you think of that has SPEC? Think of a character trait that we use. Think of when you are in a crime and people are looking at you, like you might be called this. When you, I'm trying to think and help you. Oh, when you're in the stands at a game, a football game or soccer game and you're in the stands, people might call you this and it's got the word spec in it. So try to think of words that have spec as the root. Draw the line, write the word, and then try and sketch a picture. You can even use a dictionary if you would need to. Maybe type in spec and the words might pop up. But that is your lesson for the root spec. Try to see how many words you can think of. You will upload this picture when you are finished.